Hello everyone, so today we will make butter slime. First take approximately 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and approximately 2 tablespoons of shampoo. These are approx. You have to put these two ingredients as per your requirement. Now mix it. You will see that it will be having crumbs and it will not form a dough. Now put some more shampoo in it so it will be sticky and it will make a dough. Now you will see that it is sticky. Now you will have to pour some cornstarch in it to equal the quantities of both. Now mix it again and mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you will see it will started like a dough structure as you are seeing in the video. It is also like a dough structure. Now knead the dough on your hand. For some time it will be sticky on your hands, but after that it will be okay. Now take liquid lipstick and apply on the dough. Now mix that with your hands till the dough will be completely pink. That was pink lipstick. Apply some cornstarch on your hands and again knead it. Here you are seeing that it is all pink. I have already made a white one also. I think that I should also color this white one also. So let's color it with red lipstick. The first one was pink and this one is red. Again knead it. Here we have got a dark pink and a light pink. As you can see, light pink and dark pink lipstick. Done.